Welcome to the Erasmus Plus video on how to complete and upload your PIC validation documents. First, we will look at the different forms than other required documents, and finally, how to upload them onto your participant portal. First, we will look at the public law body legal entity form. Please complete the details with your organisation's information. If you do not have a main registration number, you will need to provide a reason of institution. For example, if your organisation is governed by Royal Charter. If this is the case, you will need to provide a copy of the Charter or the relevant section of the Act of Parliament. You will only need to provide a VAT number if applicable. Please note that under the signature of authorised representative, you will need to provide a signature matching that of the Declaration of Honour. You should also write the name of the person signing here. Please note that we cannot accept electronic signatures, so you will need to print, sign and scan this form. For the stamp, please provide your organisation's stamp, or if your organisation does not have one, write "not applicable" in the box. Now we will look at the legal entity form for private law bodies. Again, you will need to provide your organisation's details in the relevant fields. Please ensure that you tick the relevant boxes under the organisation type. You will only need to provide a secondary registration number if your organisation is registered under more than one governing body. Please note that under the signature of authorised representative, you will need to provide a signature matching that of the Declaration of Honour. You should also write the name of the person signing here. Please note that we cannot accept electronic signatures, so you will need to print, sign and scan this form. For the stamp, please provide your organisation's stamp, or if your organisation does not have one, write "not applicable" in the box. The legal entity form for a natural person only applies to informal groups of young people. Please note that single individuals cannot apply for Erasmus Plus funding. You will need to complete this information with the legal representative's details. The legal representative should be aged between 18 and 30. Please note that if the legal representative is over 30, everyone else in the group should be under 18. For Section 2 business data, please complete, if applicable, with your home address details. Please note that under the signature, you'll need to provide a signature matching that of the Declaration of Honour. You should also write the name of the person signing here. Please note that we cannot accept electronic signatures, so you will need to print, sign and scan this form. Now we will take a look at the financial identification form. Please note that all types of organisations will need to complete and upload this document. Here, you should ensure that the account name is in the name of your organisation or the informal group of young people. Please ensure that your account can receive euro payments and make transactions in euros. Please note that the account holder's data should match those of the organisation. As you can see, you are required to provide a wet bank stamp and signature. If you are unable to provide this, please upload a bank statement to your participant portal. This should show all of the information covered on the financial identification form. However, you can redact any sensitive information such as balance and transactions. Please note that under the signature, we cannot accept electronic signatures and you will have to print, sign and scan this document. You can now see on the screen supporting documents that you will need to upload for the different types of organisations. Please ensure that all applicable documents are uploaded onto the participant portal. You can now see our participant portal. We are going to cover how to upload documents onto your organisation's PIC. After logging in with your EU login details, you will see this screen. Please note that only the person who registered your organisation on the participant portal will be able to access and upload or amend documents and information for your organisation. In order to upload documents, you will need to click on My Organisations. And then on Actions and Modify Organisation. You will then be redirected to a new page, which will show all of the details for your organisation. Please check these to ensure that they are accurate and up to date. If you scroll to the bottom of the page, you will be able to see the Documents section, where you will click on Add Document, choose File, select the relevant file, the document type, and click Upload. As you can see, under Documents, the form has been uploaded. We hope you found this video useful. Please get in touch with the team if you have any queries. Thank you for watching, and we wish you the best of luck with your application.